Hey YouTubers, Mini Champ. I'm going to smash out a tiny little review for you guys on this great little knife. Stay tuned. You gotta love it, folks. The Mini Champ. All this, all of it in one little 58mm package. Check it. We have a small pen knife. Oh yeah. We have a smaller pen knife with a downward tip. Also a nail cleaner with a nail file. A cuticle pusher. I don't know what the man about town or about the bush might want to do with that. But hey, if you want to push some cuticles, you can. You want to use it as a spatula and scoop up some stuff, whatever stuff you might want to be scooping. Scoop that with that. Everyone wants to be able to peel their oranges on the go. Well, this is what you need. The Mini Champ orange peeler. Peel those oranges. Yeah. How about a small flat blade screwdriver with a ruler, which you can't see real well. Yeah, ruler. Wrong way around ruler. Right way around ruler. Ha ha ha! Winner. Victorinox world famous scissors. The multi-tool. Magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, wire bender or stripper, and bottle opener. Tweezers, very good. Victorinox tweezers, which can also be swapped out for the world famous toothpick. And oh my god, it also has a pen. And you might say, that's hard to write with, Rolls. And I say, find the opposite side. Flip open the nail cleaner, nail file, and for a lefty like me, you go this way. And we're not going to write on that. We're going to write on Roll's hand. We're going to write Rolls. And if you're a left-hander, flip it this way. Alright, Rolls. Oh my god. I'm almost better. Neither of them are very good. Whatever. It's got a pen, man. It's got a pen. How many times are you caught without a pen? 58mm. All those tools in your fifth pocket. And a pen. Yes. For what it is, for the money, for the size of it. Just ingenious. Plenty of other great knives out there, plenty of great multi-tools, but being a Victorinox man myself, this thing, winner. And I've actually called it Brett. I'm sure Brett will see this video one day. He was kind of the inspiration for me buying my first Mini Champ. Thank you, Brett. You've opened my eyes to miniature sacks. And good on you, buddy. Keep it up. Love your enthusiasm. Love your collection. Can't wait until mine's like yours. But yeah, Mini Champ. You should be carrying one every day. If you're not, yeah. I'm not gonna call your names. Just carry one. They're fantastic. I'm not endorsed by Victorinox at all. I just love them. Mini Champ. Thanks for watching my video on the Victorinox Mini Champ. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. But if not, at least go out and get yourself one of these. Carry it every day. You won't be sorry. You'll use it every day. I promise.